So you know what happens now, right? If you're not, stick and stay and watch where I go on. It's the voice of OhMeOMy. When you're ready, brother, the microphone is yours. You ready?
Nowadays a conky is not linger. Tough y'all out there by ice pan finger. And this me consider increase me boots, me peanut, me tonic and me ginger. Nowadays a conky is not linger. Tough y'all out there by ice pan finger. And this me consider increase me boots, me peanut, me tonic and this thing, girl thing, big thing, slim thing, fun thing, healthy hearty thing. Me love to see the girl in the shorty thing. Aisha and Julie, Jacqueline, man tackling and ackling. So me work begin and the style me bring. Can boss with them and carry this thing alive. Bring the girl them over me yard. Girl from local, girl from abroad. Shelly and Kelly say they party hard. Ready for the belly feel something well large. So the braggy pop and the G-string drop. Shelly pants up, why Kelly kick back. Kelly take a turn, why Shelly take a nap. I saw me a big girl, let me rock. Chop! At them, at them, at them.
Yeah, you may stop it. You ready again to stop? Alright, go on again, let's go.
Sure, hey. I made the gal lemma, I made the gal lemma, I made the gal lemma look far, yes. I made the gal lemma cook far, yes. I made them all a bill up far, yes. I made them all a write book far. I made the gal lemma look far, yes. I made the gal lemma cook far, yes. I made them all a bill up far, yes. I made them all a write. Hey, hey, hey. Truth is see me with me gal, she get pics. And I tell me say be dog a link a 10. No she a phone and a text pics. Just see your thing a member, just see your thing a member, just see your thing a member. Yeah, hear me? Once again, at them, at them, at them, at them. My, yeah, hear me? My girl, step in a my girl, the eye bright like diamond and pearl. Should the body come down and curl. Girl love together, feel right at night underneath moonlight. My girl, step in a my girl, the eye bright like diamond and pearl. Should the body come down and curl. Me and you together feel right till daylight I get to the pint. Me love the dainty look, me not gonna lie. Me check for the pump and the breast and the thigh. Wash it eye, let a girl they pass by. We don't get to know the OhMeOMy. What the girl them in a pens and the I show the wrist platinum on the finger. Any girl with the friend me know she's a winner. Cause me is a DJ, she could be the singer. Singer, singer, gonna win a blinger. Swinger, go down to the dance and dinner. Flips to the cinema, pack roll with inner. Kingstar ball like a telly ringer. Ringer, ringer, I sing with inner. Bring her to the middle, make she bust a toe spinner. Lose couple pound waistline, feel slimmer. Back to the villa bubble out and we got in my Michael. Step in a Michael, the eye bright like diamond and pearl. She the want to come down and curl. Girl love together, feel right at night and the name more light. My Cha, I want to them.
People. Oh, me, you know, me almost say try hands. You know, really. Big up to everybody that's lucky that we know. People remember the Facebook. If you like, thumbs up. If you don't like, thumbs down. Comment, tell me what I go on. You know what the strips is. You know what's good, what's going on right here. Each and every Tuesday is an UpNliveshow. Try irons. See it? I know me I got to try irons, you know. Because you know why? We keep seeing the same name. But anyway, it's OhMeOMy. People get it right? Freestyle, I go on with the things. Because I look like you come prepared. You come strapping, you know.
Pick me.
Yeah.
I'm used to, you know, to the world, you know.
You say thumbs up.
Rasta say thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Are you first thumbs up here?
Yeah.
Alright.
You understand?
That means you go on with that thing.
Respect.
So you go on with something.
I never prepared for it, you know, but you don't know when you dip on the grungs, you just have to deal with it.
Because you're a versatile artist.
Of course.
You know, no preparation is needed if you're versatile.
It's not versatile. This is what
he's universal.
Universal.
You understand? Put on some bombings and drop some. He's a universal artist.
You know what? From today, I use that word, you know, the universal.
You can't even manline, my G.
Well, or
are we allowed to?
No,
it's a trademark.
You know, a lot of my lines people take differently, you know.
Yeah.
All right.
Understand? At them.
Just before we go, can we just give us some more social media name for you and how we can find again? Give us some social media again.
Well, you don't know, you can log on to all the medias and just search for OhMeOMy. And you can even check out all my website as well. It's OhMeOMy. Same way, but you just put in the www.ohmeomy.com. Forward,
sorry.
The girl them say.
I'm not a girl, sir. I'm a woman.
The girl them say.
All right.
www.ohmeomy.com. OhMeOMy.
C-O-M.
C-O-M.
Right.
You see, don't get
And
it
the man
wrong
themselves
again.
forward. You see me?
Forward.
Don't get no.
Alright.
C-O-M. Don't
Alright.
get it wrong again. You
Alright.
see it? Once again.
Give thanks. Thank you very much for passing through the Up and Live show. People do go and support his music. I know wicked vibes right here. The freestyle opener. Remember people. If you lucky just right now, you miss something now. Cause you know try. You have to try and OhMeOMy. That name never take a while for mistake. You know why? Cause we see the artist every week. I know me always I call him Try. So when he tell me a new name, I'm like, it take a while if he's so keen, but he's not so keen, right? So stick and stay, it's approximately 24 minutes, 26 minutes coming up.